Hi, this is a review of this pressurized handheld steam cleaner. The brand did send it to me as a gift, so I'm going to show you how this works and tell you everything you need to know about this. So I'm actually really excited about this. I've been needing one. This is the steamer itself. It's not too big. It's really lightweight as well. So it has all the instructions you need. It comes with a measuring cup, funnel, comes with an extension hose, brass brush for more harsh surfaces, round nylon brush. This is just for your refrigerator, kitchen sink, anything, basically anything around your kitchen. A jet nozzle. This is more for narrow spaces. Here on the box, it actually shows you what each nozzle is for. It comes with this thing, and there's a cloth that you have to put over this. So this is how it looks like with the cloth on. This is great for clothing, pillows. Comes with this attachment as well. This says that it's great for glass, for marble. This is the little angle nozzle. This is great for gaps in your kitchen, bathroom. This is the safety cap. This is the lock. And this is the on and off button. So what we're going to do is put the water in here and show you guys how this works. So then you can attach your extension cord right over here. You twist and there you go. This is your extension cord. You can just attach your nozzles. So I did turn it on and the light is glowing now. When it is ready, this light will turn on. You can see it's ready because it's glowing green. That means it's heated up. So to use it, you will press this button. So as you can see, this is really dirty, and I'm just going to show you how this works. Once I put it on, it took out all the dirt like right away. Super easy to use. I'm really happy with the results. As you can see, I just wiped it off and look at all the dirt. Next, I did my stove, took off all the rust, and I also used a different attachment for my mirror. As you can see, it's really like dirty right here, so you can see the before and after. After I did it, it was super easy to do, and it dried up really fast because it's just steam. So this is what it looks like after. I'm really happy with the results. I think this is a really great steamer. So if you're looking for a great steamer, I highly recommend this one.